In this video, we'll show you how to double crochet into the back of your loop. We're using third art stories and you'll use the yarn and hook in your pattern. So let's start crocheting. When we're working into the back of our loop, we're creating a stitch that's slightly more textured and it gives a sort of rib effect. If you take your piece of work and you look at your crochet along the top edge, we've got our little V's, which are the whole of our stitch. We're now just going to work a double crochet only through half of this stitch. So we're going to go through just under the back part of the loop and complete our double crochet. You can see now the front of the loop is left on the front and it gives a line ridge effect. So I'm going to work into the next stitch, just going through half the stitch, so through the back loop, leaving the front loop, completing our double crochet, so pulling through our 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, completing the stitch. So I'm going to work one more, so working through half the stitch through the back loop, through, yarn over, pull through to the front, we've got our 2 loops, yarn over, pull through to complete our double crochet. You can see the front loop is left on the top, creating this ridge effect when we're only working through the back loop of our stitch. And that's double crocheting through the back loop. Practice until you're confident and then head to thirdart.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.